we are going to learn how to use Excel macro to launch Chrome browser and also to open a website automatically. So as you can see, I have my code here. So if I run the code, it has opened Chrome browser and it has opened Facebook page for me. So now let's get started. Launch your Microsoft Excel. Okay, then after that you go to developer. If you don't have the developer, you go to file. Okay, then you come to options, then you come to customer ribbon, then you check here, developer is here. So if the box is not checked, you have to just check it, then you click OK. Then you come to Visual Basic, then you insert a module. Okay, then I'll copy my code. So this is my code. I'll copy the code. The code we provided in the description section, so you can download or you can copy the code. So we have open Chrome with Facebook. That's the name, that's the heading. So I've defined chromePath as string and website to as string. Okay, so set the path to the Chrome executable. Okay, so chromePath is equal to C Chrome files, Google Chrome. Okay, so here is where my Chrome is located. So my Chrome is installed in drive C. Okay, because it is application, that is it. And then you set the URL of the page or the website you want to visit. So in this case, we want to visit Facebook. Okay, good. And then we have this one, so shell chromePath. Okay, and then the website URL, which is VB normal focus. So let's bring and sub. Okay, so let's run the macro to see. So if I click on run macro, then Chrome has opened and then the Facebook page too has been opened. So this is how you can use Excel macro to open a web Chrome browser and to launch a particular website. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are on YouTube, and if you're on TikTok too, don't forget to follow the page for more videos.